Okay, so we are here today to get the light that should be here working. You can see this one is lit up and these 4 buttons are lit up, but the light that illuminates behind these 2 dials is out. So we're going to show you how to replace that. Here's a schematic of the climate control dash components we're going to be dealing with. The 2 bulbs in the schematic, circled in red, are responsible for the backlighting of the adjustment dials. The unit is secured to the dash with 6 press-in clips indicated by the blue dots. You might think about getting an auto trim removal tool set. These tools are really helpful when dealing with dash parts, trim panels, weather stripping, and press-in fasteners on vehicles. They allow you to pry on plastic parts with less risk of damaging parts and finishes. I got this set on Amazon. It was inexpensive and works really well. I'll put Amazon links and list Toyota part numbers in the video description to help make it easy for you to go find tools and the parts discussed in this video. Using a flat-bladed trim removal tool or a suitable substitute, begin gently prying on the lower right area of the panel and carefully work it out of the dash. Once the panel is out of the dash, carefully detach the 2 wiring harness plugs by pinching down on the middle to release the retaining tab, and then work the plug out of the back of the panel. Now that we can access the back of the dash, the location of the 2 bulbs that we're after today are circled in red. Take a flat blade screwdriver, insert it into the slot on the bulb's base, and give it a 1/4 turn counterclockwise. I'm pretty sure this was the original bulb, and it's pretty obvious that it was done. I took out the other bulb too, and even though it was still working, it had a similar look to it. You might as well replace them both while you have the dash out. Here's a side-by-side of a brand new OEM bulb next to the old burnt-out one. To its credit, that old one made it about 22 years. So I ordered 2 new OEM bulbs. The Toyota part number is at the top left on the label, and again I'll put that part number in the video description for easy reference. There are other bulbs inside the dash unit that light up the center of the dash buttons. They are similar but have a much smaller base. It's always better to order by part number, but for reference, the base of the bulbs we're replacing is 10 millimeters. Installation is pretty easy, but as a precaution you should clean the glass on the bulb before you put it in. Oil from fingerprints can have a negative effect and shorten the life of the bulb. Drop the new bulb into its socket hole, and then with a flathead screwdriver give it a 1/4 turn clockwise. A new bulb will take some force to get it to lock into the socket. I should have used a slightly wider tipped screwdriver, but it got the job done. When properly locked into position, the bulb's base should be squarely lined up with the contacts in the housing. If it's clocked a bit to the left, it's not fully seated. The bulb in this picture is fully seated. Once you have the bulbs replaced, plug the wiring harnesses back into their respective sockets. Make sure they're fully seated and click in. Then simply push the dash unit back into place, engaging the 6 retaining clips on the back of the unit. So here's what it looks like now with the new backlighting bulbs installed. Nice and bright. The dash light dimmer switch also works on these bulbs, so you can dial the brightness up or down to your personal preference. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I put the Toyota part numbers and Amazon links to the trim tools in the video description for easy reference. If you're so inclined, please leave a thumbs up, like vote, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If this video really helped you out and you want to show your appreciation, the Super Thanks button is also available. Check out my channel for other Toyota and DIY related videos. Thanks!